Yesterday we had CPI, today we have PPI. And like CPI, the headline producer prices saw deflation. They saw negative 0.3%. Negative 0.3%. This equals the biggest monthly decline since April of 2020 for both CPI and for PPI. Now, that's actually deflation. What is really interesting, and this is what I want to keep paying very close attention to here today, is that we have a dollar strength trade and we have a crude oil strength trade. And we are off the edge of this deflationary boom. We've made a lateral move here at yesterday's close into this morning, the 15th. But the direction that this is traveling, if you understand the mechanism here, what creates this move is higher energy prices. And this is energy inefficiency, and it's a strong dollar environment. It's essentially deflationary bust. And I know that that is, going and flying in the face of, this current data here, but it's really important to note that the CPI and PPI prints, if we're thinking about them, they're part of a data series. And what's forward looking? This is the report card. Okay? What is inflation going to do in the future? Not right now. That what we have now is priced in right now, right? What is coming in the future? What is coming in the future? And what we're anticipating based on our trends is happening in the future is higher crude oil prices and higher dollars. Higher crude oil prices and higher dollars. And so we're trailing this little series of longs on the indices up into their resistance levels. And where that fails, it's a big deal. I don't know how else to put it. It's kind of a big deal, considering where we are in time and price. The dollar's at the bottom of this range. So far, it has not broken it. The euro completed a profit target and is in its next measured move. DXY did not. And so we're sitting right inside of a support level again, a resistance level on the euro, a dollar strength trade as we're going into the open. When we're looking at this from the perspective of bank, of course, there are support levels that we're going to have to pay attention to. The VIX is still in a downtrend. It certainly is still in a downtrend. It is still going down. Let's take a look at something here real quick. Trying to find if I have another version of this VIX. I'm going to have to keep looking for it. It'd be nice if we could filter out the top 10 stocks of the volatility index as well too. The reason I want to do that, reason I want to talk about this is that, yes, we have this little series of short setups on the VIX, brand new contract as well too. We have a little series of long setups on the ES that we're grinding higher inside of. We certainly are. We're squeezing back up into that 76.32.25 that we've been kind of stalking here. That previous high, that Monday high, right? That high that happened on the Monday after FOMC, the Monday that happened on the day of the futures rollover. You never miss any. This stream continues at eMiniAddict.com. The link is in the description. Join me there for tools and resources for learning measured move trading. I wrote the book on the measured move. Check out the hundreds of others that have learned trading plan development, pattern recognition, money management, and trading discipline with me to become the best, most confident trader that you can be.